Hey guys, Bbek here, and in this video let's unbox this phone and take a quick look. Before that, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below, and if you do actually like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's get to the video now. Opening up the Oneplus 5T box, we have got the Oneplus 5T itself. The fingerprint scanner is to the back now. The unique selling point here is the tall 18:9 aspect ratio display up the front. It is covered with the screen protector here. We will get to that in a bit. Let's now see what else is in the box. We have got the dash charger adapter, a USB cable type C, then there's a quick start guide, stickers, safety information booklet, and a SIM ejector tool, and a soft case included in the box as well. So what we are getting here is a tad taller, wider and thicker device than its predecessor OnePlus 5, but it does support a larger display this time around. OnePlus 5T sports a 6.01-inch Full HD plus haptic AMOLED display. The aspect ratio is, like as I said, 18:9, so we get a more screen real estate to play with. So everything else rather than the display and rear cameras are same with the OnePlus 5. So if you end up liking this video, then give a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of this device. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more upcoming videos like this one, and you guys have a great day. Peace.